Ito yung bagyo kagabi. After my work, ito.
Stay back 15 meters, it says.
Maaga silang nag-work. Grader nilang snow. Don't go close. It's too close.
No, we're fine. 15 meters.
It's good they removed the snow early today.
Oh yeah, they always do good.
Otherwise we stuck.
Yeah, they're doing a good job. Good thing you're not in a hurry.
There's traffic now at the back.
Oh, that's
That's fine.
stay back 15 meters. So close to the cars.
They are expert doing this one.
Yeah.
Look at the blade.
Yeah.
It's too close to the tire of the cars.
They've done this before. They're experienced. Look how close, you know. Pretty close. Look how close they come to the car. This car. They're going to turn right around, see?
Now he's done on this area.